So hello everybody, hello everybody. This is Coach CJ. This is Coach CJ. This is Coach CJ, and this is day 2 of the AI Builder Lab. Don't worry, you still get to see my face. So yes, I am here to take note of the people who are joining, the first people to join, first set of people. So this J Justin, Ife just. Yeah, so you're the one who's going to take my gift for tonight. You joined way before time. So, yeah, um, you're all welcome. You're all welcome to the session tonight. Um, Welcome to the session tonight. I'll be waiting for the speakers and the moderator to step in tonight. Um, but while I wait, we need to um have I shared this? I don't think I've shared. Have I shared the link? Okay, so I'll just quickly check if I've shared the link. I'll quickly check if I've shared the link. Yeah. Okay. I'll check. Thank you. If I just check if we've shared the link on WhatsApp. Okay, so that we can, we can kick off. Okay, so yes, welcome. So let's burn up the building. Let's burn up the building. Burn up the building. Set it on fire. Okay, if you're here and you're ready, share this and comment. Put in fire emojis in the chat. Put in fire emojis. If you burn it down, don't worry. Like I said earlier, we are rich enough. We are rich enough. Our first facilitator for tonight is rich. He will build another one ASAP. You thank God for AI too. He'll use AI and build us another room ASAP. So burn this one down. Put fire emojis in the comment section, in the chat. Put fire emojis there. If you're ready, let us know you are ready. Let us know you are ready. You are ready. You're about to see, you're about to experience stuff tonight. Okay. So in that excitement, I want you to share. Okay, share with your family and friends, share with your friends, your colleagues, your husband to be. This is about monetizing AI. I mean, the guy needs to hold money now, so share this opportunity with him. Share with your wife to be. Tell her, oh, we need to ascend to a higher realm together. So let's join this training. Ensure you are here. Share with your mother. Share with your dad. Tell your dad to be here. That is not for any age in particular. He can automate his messages and his business, contacts and people who are reaching out to him for business and all of that. Let's get it started. Okay, let's get a party started. Let's get a party started. Yeah. So let me see who were the first people that joined tonight. I'll be giving my special gifts. Ife Jesu, I will not take your own because you are part of my team. So you had access to the link before others, and it was not posted on time. It was posted 2 minutes later. So so I will not count your own comments. But don't worry. Now we. So Mil Aishaya. I don't know how to pronounce the name. Mil Aishaya 9985. I think you were the first person who joined in by exactly 8:02 when this was posted in the group chat. And then Williams Saki, and who else? King White. Who else? Blessing Umenwa, and who else? Chuku Ewegi Solomon. Hey. Sorry, Chukwewegi Solomon. Chukwewegi Solomon. So I think we have up to five now. So those are the five people who will be getting my special reward for joining early. If you have not gotten, I mean, if you're not part of them, don't worry. Don't worry. You can still win your own special gift by being the most active participant tonight. So as you are sharing with your family and friends and your neighbors, you can enter your neighbor's house and say, "Do you know this thing is happening?" Share with them. Come to this comment section and report that you shared. Then engage. Just engage. Anything that strikes you, anything you are learning, put it in the comment section. While we call the first speaker up. So yes. You're all welcome. You're all welcome. We'll be calling up this first speaker by the 10-minute mark. Whew. Okay, so stay with me. Are you excited? Are you excited? I would like to know who is excited for tonight. I'd like to know who is excited for tonight. Stay with me. Let's see. I just want to be sure that all those who are joining in, they don't miss out. Okay. Okay. So, um, you guys, keep it up, keep it up, keep it up. Our speaker is ready. He's ready. He's already backstage. He's looking at us. He can't. I know he cannot wait to start unleashing. He can't wait. He can't wait. Okay. Um. Okay. Okay. I think we're right about starting. Right about starting. Welcome everybody. Welcome everybody. Tonight's session is going to be practical, like I said. Um. So the person that we're going to be having is an experienced tech pro. He's an experienced tech pro. His name, let me leave his name. Let me not mention his name. Suspense, suspense, suspense. So our speaker for tonight, our trainer, our facilitator for tonight is popularly known as Wayne. He's a passionate advocate for digital growth and empowerment, dedicated to helping individuals and businesses thrive in the modern digital landscape. He's a tech entrepreneur and a digital awareness advocate, as well as founder of Techpolis Limited, a forward-thinking digital agency that delivers solutions in web development, UI UX, branding, and digital strategy. Beyond service delivery, the company is deeply committed to capacity building with a strong focus on bridging the digital divide. Through his work with Techpolis and its various initiatives, Ihan has contributed significantly to digital empowerment efforts across Nigeria. He leads impactful programs such as the Skill Forge Bootcamp, the Africa Can Code project, and digital monetization trainings. These initiatives are designed to equip young people and professionals with practical, in-demand skills in technology, coding, and innovation, while also creating pathways to real-world opportunities. He is driven by a clear mission to empower people with digital skills, help them monetize their knowledge, and demonstrate how faith and purpose can meaningfully shape one's journey in the digital space. Whether building businesses to establish a strong online presence or inspiring believers to engage technology with integrity, his goal remains consistent: to equip, to empower, and to create lasting impact. Through this platform, he shares insight. Through his platform, he shares insightful knowledge on digital literacy, web development, skill monetization, and purposeful growth, creating a space for learning, building, and meaningful progress. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the stage, Ihan Chukwu Chibu. Make some noise, make some noise, make some noise, make some noise. If we push down the building, I told you he's a big boy. He will build another one ASAP. Make some noise. Okay, yeah. So yes. Welcome, sir. Welcome, sir. Welcome on stage. Before I call him on stage, somebody said, yeah, the recording. Don't worry. The recording is. We'll repost it on the group. We'll repost it on the group. It's going to be available for the next 48 hours. Okay. So day one and day two will be available for the next 48 hours. So, ladies and gentlemen, welcome, sir. No one else but Sir Ihan Chukwu.
Wow,
Welcome,
wow,
sir.
wow. Good evening. Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Good evening.
Thank you so
Thank you
much.
so
Thank
so so
you so much.
much. Thank you very much.
And good evening,
And
everyone.
good evening, everyone.
If you can hear me, can you just
If you
show
can hear me,
your
can you
favorite
first check
speaker, your favorite
your speaker,
speaker?
your favorite.
Let me see your favorite
Let me see your
emoji.
favorite.
If you can hear me, thank you so much. I can see all of you. Thank you, Jacinta. Thank you, King White. Thank you, Mr. Promise Ikechukwu. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So, sir, how many hours do I have so I can gauge myself? Miss
One
Macy
hour.
told me
It's basically
1 hour.
1 hour. Yes.
All right. So
Alright.
tonight's session
So
is going to be
tonight's session is
really
gonna be really
practical. We are going to be building something live, automation system live here. But before we move into that, I want to just talk about one or two things. I think the previous speakers, they have done a very wonderful work on AI monetization and AI. I joined Dr. Chijoke's class partly. I also joined yesterday's on AI monetization partly, and they have been doing a beautiful work. So tonight we are going to be going deeper on AI automation. AI automation. And I want to say this here tonight. If your business, oh sorry, Miss Lady Promise, I'm sorry about that. So if your business or your company is not integrating first technology, you don't have a future. If your business or your company is not integrating technology, then you don't have a business. I'm sorry to say that. Then, if your business is not leveraging AI in this AI world, in this digital age, you don't have a future. And there was a controversy that came up early, is that should be early last year, that AI is a demon. And I laughed. But then I want to tell you, yes, AI is a demon, and our future is highly demonic. Our future is highly demonic. If AI is our future, if AI is demonic, then our future is highly demonic. And you need to be possessed. You and your business need to be possessed, because the future, or AI is no longer the future. Rather, AI is here. Now, funny enough, AI has been around back in the 90s. Yeah. AI has been around back in the 90s. It's just that it keeps evolving. We keep seeing new model. I think when AI was shipped down to Nigeria, we got to, it was at the third stage, the third generation, which is the generative AI that we know about, which is what we go online to generate content, to build, generate image. Some of us started abusing. See, let me say something. If the purpose of a thing is not known, abuse is inevitable. Yeah, possessed. If we are going by saying that AI is demonic, then let us all be possessed. Because our future is going to be highly demonic with AI. AI has come to stay. AI is here, it's not going anywhere. Yeah. So, um, I was saying something. Most of us are abusing AI. There's a trend of the trend that went on last month where we generate video with AI. A bird will come and carry us and start flying to, with one song like that. That is a total abuse of AI. That is people doing that. People jump into that trend are people who don't even understand what we have. Yeah, thank you. AI abuse. When you don't understand the purpose of AI, then you ought to abuse it. You don't just abuse it, you will misuse it because you don't even know how to prompt properly. And thank you so much, Dr. Chijoke, for yesterday's class. I heard when we were teaching them how to prompt engineering and prompt design. And I want to also beg us to go and study prompt design. Prompt design. We can't offload everything about AI under 1 hour. We cannot. We can't. I'm just waiting for my slide to pop up so we can move. We can't finish everything about AI in just 1 hour. AI automation is a full BSc degree course on its own. Yeah, is a full BSc degree course on its own. And this course, the least you can give it to fly high is 3 months. It's 3 months. And last yesterday, we were taught about AI monetization. If you master AI automation, you can use it and make money. The average AI automation expert and strategist is earning about $100 and something per year, per annum. Yeah. So aside from leveraging AI automation in your business or integrating AI automation in your business, you can run with it as a career. So I'm advising us after tonight's class, go and run
Sorry, did you say 100 and what?
above $100,000.
Above $100,000. Oh, okay.
Yeah. An average AI automation expert earns that when you want to run with it as a career. So tonight, I want us not just to think on how to integrate into our business. Let someone go home tonight with a decision to build a career, because this is where we are going. There are so many career paths in AI. We have the AI automation expert, we have the AI engineer, we have what do you call it now? We now have AI data security, we have AI governance and ethnic experts. These are opportunities, career opportunities in AI, and companies are looking for these guys. So you can make a decision tonight and say, okay, I'm going to be exploring AI governance. I'm going to be exploring AI ethics, or I'm going to be exploring deeper AI automation. So that is the opportunity that AI has brought to us. And that's why I say, if AI is demonic, then let us all be possessed with AI. So what is automation? We've dealt with, AI. We've dealt with AI, and I know by now we all know what AI is, what artificial intelligence is. So tonight we're going to look at the shift to automated work, how to reduce time and stress in your business. We keep hearing things like, if your business cannot run without you for 3 months or for 1 month, then you don't have a business. So the only way to make one of the ways to make your business as an entrepreneur or a solo entrepreneur run without you being solely involved is to integrate AI automation. So yeah, I was telling us that AI has been around back in the 50s. So you can see the early AI stage. From 1950s to 1980s, we have rule-based AI. From 1990s to 2000, we had machine learning. From 2010, we have deep learning. Then from 2020, we had generative AI, where you started building, creating content, creating images. Today, we now have agentic AI. And this is not the least. What we are seeing now, today, is the worst model of AI. With the new models being released, it gets better. It keeps getting better. So what we are seeing here is still child's play. When you go to Dubai, currently Dubai now has a flying cab system where you can order taxi that flies. That's AI for you. It's powered by AI. In China now, we have taxis that can drive you without any driver. Just order it like Uber. It comes to your station, to your location, and picks you up without a driver. All these things are powered by AI. So as a businessman, as an entrepreneur, you need to start looking at for ways you can leverage AI into your business. If not, you won't have a future. So what is AI automation? It's simply the use of artificial intelligence to automatically perform tasks, make decisions, and trigger actions with a workflow. So reducing or eliminating the need for human intervention. So it's the ability to get AI to work for you while you focus on more money generating activities. As a founder, as a businessman, your priority, your activities should be money making activities. So let AI help you handle your customers. Let AI help you handle workflow. So in AI automation, I want to run through our slides so we can jump into practical. In AI automation, there are three things, three elements. One, we have the trigger, because these things you're going to be seeing it once we jump into our practical. We have the trigger. So this is the event that starts the process. This is the event that calls the AI to action. So it can be when a customer submits a form, fills up a form online. Maybe let's say via your website, someone wants to get a quote or wants to contact you and fills up a form, or you are running a webinar and the person wants to register and fills a form. So that is what we call trigger. Maybe you set it that once this person fills the form, I want AI to analyze the person details and automatically send a follow-up email to the person. So the trigger is what starts the action, what engages, what kickstarts the AI. And this AI, we call them agents. We call them AI agents. That's why you hear agentic AI agents. So when the trigger goes off, then the AI, the agent starts processing, starts analyzing your requests, start processing everything. Like Dr. Chituko said last night, that AI is garbage in, garbage out. AI is not just a tool for productivity; it's a tool for brainstorming. If I open your AI, your ChatGPT or your Claude AI or whatever have you, and I prompt the AI, the response of your AI is equal to your level of intelligence. I'm sorry to say, if your AI result or output is poor, that means your your um can you still hear me? I don't understand somehow, but then if your AI output is poor, then that means what you're giving it is still poor. So it's a brainstorming tool. So it starts analyzing the request, start analyzing everything that's going through, your your AI automation design. You start going through the forms that are coming in. You start going through the request understand the um, to understand the the request going in. It analyzed the persona to understand how to respond. Now, this AI agent, most times you can integrate it to ChatGPT to create its own personalized, unique response per individual, per person, per client. So this guy starts processing the client to understand how well to respond to it. Most times when you chat up a customer support center from an app, for example, Meta, the first person that responds to your issue is not a human being, it's an AI. We call it chatbot. So you chat with the AI, then the AI, depending on what is wrong with what your issue is, what your query is, it can now, if it is able to solve your problem by the preloaded information given to it, maybe that place it ends the communication. But if there's a need to refer you to a human customer support, then he can now, after everything, that tells you to hold on while it connects you to someone. But the first point of action is AI, this agentic AI. Then after processing, the next thing is action. That's the result. Maybe the end point is for you to send a feedback or send a corresponding email to to the client or the customers, or to help you analyze emails. Remember, it's not just all about forms. Excuse me. It can also be helping you run individual tasks, helping you analyze emails, helping you categorize your emails, helping you create a to-do list for the day, depending on the emails you are getting. So now, for you to properly use tech, there's something we call the AI mindset. You must have the mindset first. Everything is first the mindset. If you don't have the mindset, then there will be a lot of problem, because it is the mindset that helps you follow up or be up to date with the latest information on AI, with the latest trend on AI in your field. How many of you know the latest AI made available in your field? How many of you know the latest AI, latest technological trend in your field? How many of us are bankers here? Or let just mention what you do, the industry you play. Mention the industry you play in and the AI that is available in your industry. I want to see you. I want to see you. I have no idea. I want to see you. I want to see you. What do you do? What industry do you play in, and which AI is available in that industry? I don't want to hear ChatGPT. I don't want to hear Claude. I want to hear the specific AI that is made available for your industry. So if you don't know these things, then there is something wrong with your mindset first. What you need is a mindset shift. But inside that mindset shift, knowing the latest trend, you also need to know, you also need to have the automation mindset. So the first thing is you start thinking about workflows. The first thing is to do, what do I do? What do you do repeatedly? Every day, what is that task you keep doing over and over and over again? You sort emails, you key in data, maybe the influx of your leads that come in. You have to analyze those leads and send it to arrange it in a data spreadsheet. So those things you keep on repeating, that is your go-to task to automate. Now, AI agent is very, very important, or AI automation is very, very important, that companies are laying off staff and they are employing around those. We've counted about more than 50,000 staff that have been laid off worldwide and replaced with AI. We keep on saying that AI will not replace you. It is people that knows how to use AI that will replace you. But my dear, I bring you bad news. Sorry. If the people that knows how to use AI are going to be replaced by AI, so who is going to survive? The man that knows how to integrate AI in his workflow. The man that knows how to build systems that are powered by AI. People that build systems that are powered by AI. Those are the ones that are going to own the future. So if you are not building systems that is powered by AI, then you're going to lose your job very soon. Then the second guys that might retain their job are handymen, plumbers, carpenters, and whatever have you. So either you go back to being a farmer, or to being a plumber, or an electrician, whatever have you, or you go, yes, thank you, sir, to builders, AI builders, people that know that will integrate AI into what they are doing. So now you decide, what do you want to do? What do I decide repeatedly? You write them down, then you send it out for automation. So in AI automation, we have individual automation, we have personal email assistant that talked about that. We have business. Under business, we have customer support. We have AI doing your chatbot. We have lead qualification, social media automation. Then for professionals, we have report writing. Yeah, AI can write reports for you, can summarize meetings for you. We have read.ai. We have Otter AI that does summary that listens to meeting and summarize everything. Client communication. AI can communicate with your clients. So I'm gonna skip this one. Levels of AI, manual work, AI assistant. I'm going to skip these ones. We've dealt with this one. I'm going to skip this one. So the future of AI automation. You see, AI employees. You're going to be employing AI now to do the work you do. So let's go to practical. Let's go to practical. So we're going to be using two AI tools. One is Zapier. We have so many of them. We have Zapier, we have AI Sensei, we have WhatsApp autoresponder. There are so many of them. We have responder.ai. So many AI automation, AI agents out there, but you want to use Zapier. You want to use Zapier because most of them they are paid platforms, but AI can also gives you AI Zapier AI gives you what they call it free version for you to do one or two things. So now we're going to be touching on Zapier and WhatsApp autoresponder. So which one should we really start with? I think is Zapier. Let's start with Zapier. So I'm going to be sharing my screen, and my eyes won't be on the comment section for what is happening there. Okay. So now this is please Dr. Ditoke, please let me know if they can see my screen. Let me know if they can see my screen. I can't see the comment section. Can you see my screen, sir? Okay, let me check back.
Yes, I can.
The Zapier interface.
The Zapier interface. Yes, I could see this. I could see it.
All right,
Yes.
sir. Thank you. Thank you.
All right,
So
sir.
this is what Zapier looks like. The
So
home
this is
page
what
of
Zapier looks like. The homepage of
Zapier. I saw someone asking for spelling. So now, of course, you must have done your onboarding, sign up with Google. I've already done all those ones. That's why I can just come to this place. Or you can sign up with Google or your work mail, then fill up some form, onboarding form, the name of your company, how many staff you have, all those stuff. So after doing everything, it will come to this place. Now this is what Zapier looks like. But that's what we see once you come to the dashboard or the homepage. Now you could see here recommended for you. You could see these are templates, already built templates. You know, the the purpose is to save time and make more money. Save time, save energy, and make more money. So now there are already building templates for you. If you want to prepare reply draft for incoming IT support mails, you can click on this guy. So here, what I'm seeing here is from Gmail. Gmail is the trigger guy. Remember we mentioned trigger. Gmail is the trigger guy. From Gmail down to Slack and down to one other thing there. I don't know what's there. So there are so many of them. There are so many of them, so many of them, so many of them, so many of them here. respond to IT emails with AI drafted replies from inbox. So here AI can draft replies for you without you having to. Maybe you can be away, you can be in your village doing what you are doing in your village, and AI is helping you respond to emails. So now what are we going to build? I'm going to create an automation that receives client lead or client's request. One receives it, then sends in an email to each client that registers, that fills the form or submits the form. Then from that place, it also sends those clients, extracts the form and send it into a spreadsheet for me. So I'll repeat, we are going to build an automation that receives clients' information from a form. Once they fill a form, it receives the information and it sends it down. It gives them a reply mail once they submit. Then from the reply mail, it extracts the information, it extracts the clients and pushes it down to a spreadsheet for me. So from the spreadsheet, I could see the names of my clients, what they do, and whatever. So I don't know. I don't know. I have already created my form. You can see I've already created my form here, AI Creator Lab, and I believe we all know how to create a form. Let me see. Do we all know how to create a form? Reply, 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 reply. Do we all know how to create a form, or should I create a form here? Do we know how to create a form? I want to see your response on the comment section. Do we know how to create a form? Someone is saying no. Only one person is saying no. I want your responses. Are we all here? I'm seeing another no. Don't know, don't know, don't know. Okay. I'm going to quickly create a form. Quickly create a form now. So I'm going to delete this one I've already created. Remove. So now in this Zapier, if you click on this place, you see we have so many apps on Zapier. We have more than 7,000 apps on Zapier. We can create forms from here, but I don't actually like creating forms from Zapier. So you can see we have over 7,000 apps. We have Google, we have Slack, we have WhatsApp here, but WhatsApp is on premium subscription. You must subscribe before you use WhatsApp here. There, where you can see your WhatsApp messages, reply. AI can help you respond to WhatsApp. But we will create. I will show you another bypass to this for the WhatsApp messages. And so let's quickly create our form because of time. Let's quickly create our form. So let's go to Google Form. So here you go to Google Form, search on your search on your Google Chrome, Google Form. It will take you and you come to this platform. This then you click on blank form. Now we are creating a new form. The title, first of all, give it a title AI Creator AI Creator Lab Practical. Give me a minute. Look over this guy. Okay, so let's move on. So AI Creator Lab Practical, you make it bold. So here you put your form description, what your form is all about. So for me here, this is a practical demo live session. Just leave it like this. Then the first question here, I want it to be your first name. first name. So this is what the title of this question would be. So here you want them to fill their first name in this place. Under here is what the answer would be. So now, since I want their first name, so their answer is going to be a short answer. I'm not sure someone's first name is too big. So here is the kind of question you want. So since it's a name, I will go for short answer here. Short answer. Then we want a new question. Okay, we'll toggle this button on to make it required. So they must have to fill their first name before they submit the form. So here we add a new question. So here should be last name. Last name. Short answer. You just a short answer. We don't need big answer. So the next thing should be your email. You click on this plus icon. This plus icon. Another question pops up. What would that be? Email. So I want your email to be here because I want to send an email to you. So here now, this is lead. You want to collect lead. So the first thing you want to ask yourself is, what kind of lead do you want? Do you want their emails? Do you want their phone number? What information do you want from your client? So at this point, I want to send them email. So I want their email. I also would love to send them, what do you call it now? Message them on WhatsApp. So the next question would be WhatsApp number, specifically WhatsApp number. I don't want any other number but a WhatsApp number. So a short answer for them here. Required, make it compulsory. This toggle button here is to make this answer compulsory. If they no answer this question, they cannot submit the form. I know we've all filled up a form whereby you are seeing this red asterisk here. This red asterisk means that this question is compulsory. You must answer it. You're not going anywhere. So new question now, I want multiple choice question. So in this place, maybe what are you interested in? Maybe this is a form for my service. What are you interested in? So now, multiple choice. So the option 1 here should be AI training. I'm giving them options. So please note these things down. When I'm done with this form, I'm going to be sending the link once we are done automating it. So that we are going to test it. And we'll send the link to our WhatsApp group chat. So we all go and fill the form immediately. So now we add a new option. Option 2, AI automation. Maybe this client wants, wants me to automate some tasks for him. Option 3, AI consultation. AI consultation. Option 4, I need 5 options. Let me see what's happening in the comment section. Yeah, save time, save money, save energy. Okay, sorry. Option 4, let me say web design. They want web design service. One more option. Someone help me with one more option. Someone help me with one more option. Someone help me with one more option. The last option, let's go. Let me see you writing in the comment section. One more option. What would that be? Okay, because of time. The last option might be, let's say, social media management. So don't forget to toggle up this button. Toggle it on. That means this is compulsory. So let's ask another question. I want to know their budget, your budget range. Because me, I want fast stuff. So I want to see their budget rate so that to know how to work with them. So let's say this guy is telling me option 1, 100K, 100,000 to 500,000. That's the budget they have. This guy, option 2, 500,000 to 1 million. Option 3, 1 million to 5 million. So let's add others. Let's leave it at this because of time. I think this is enough for us. This is enough for us. This is enough for us. Okay. So this is everything we need. So if I want to touch my form to make it look clean, make it look fancy, I could just add. Let's just leave this place. This is just what we need here. So over here, I will title my form. Just click it. It takes the title. This is very, very compulsory. This things we are doing here is very compulsory. Each question is very important for your automation. Each question here is very, very important for your automation. So once we are done here, okay, let me toggle this guy on for compulsory response. So I go this place and publish it. Publish. So you can shorten your link, make it very short. Maybe if you want to put it on somewhere, make it short. Then I'll copy this link for future references. Then I will come back. Okay. Another thing we need to create is a Google Sheet. A Google Sheet. Okay, okay. So let's do that rapidly, quickly, Google Sheet. Because remember, I want this AI agent to extract the information down to a Google Sheet for me, to a spreadsheet for me, so I can see my data, so I can see the data and analyze it. So what I'll do, let's open Google Sheet here and create something. So while creating a Google Sheet, it is very, very important to create a header. It's very, very important to create a header. So here, I want to create a blank sheet. Or rather, let me use this. Sorry. Okay, so let's go with this. Now, AI, first thing first, AI practical, let's leave that this. So this is our header. I'm trying to create a header for us. This is our header. Sorry, not here. The first thing we have there is first name, right? Second thing we have here is last name. Note your header must correspond with your questions. Your header must correspond with your questions. So you find that letter. The next thing we have here is WhatsApp number. Either it corresponds with your header, with your questions, or you customize it according to what you want it to be. So the next thing here should be, sorry, I skipped email address. Email address. Next thing here is, am I correct? Hold on. Okay, WhatsApp number. Are we all following? If you are following, let me see your comments. Let me see your comment. Let me see your comments. Are we all following? Are we all following? Are we all following? If you are following, say yes. Say yes. Yes. Let me see your comment. Let me see your comments. Are we all following? Okay, thank you. So the next thing we have here should be, oh God, what are you interested in? So copy and paste it here. Format your sheets. The next question is budget. So what you need are just the questions. You don't need the answers. AI will help you with the answers. So you just ask this question. So let me just do a little stuff here. I think for this place, I just want to format it a bit. Green. So this is good. So this is our header. This you are seeing here is our header. Make sure this is set first. So we have our form, we have our spreadsheet. What is the name of this spreadsheet? Let me give it a name. Let me give it a name. It's very important we name it. So AI practicals. So let's remember this name. It's very, very important you name it. Everything in this AI automation goes with name. What doesn't have a name does not exist on AI. So now let's start. So here, one thing about AI is AI keeps making things easy for us. So you see Copilot AI is here. So instead of starting from scratch to build, we don't have time to waste. I don't know. I don't like wasting time. I don't like wasting time. So I just come here. What do you want to do? Create. Okay, let me just go short. A Gmail that sends a mail when a form is filled or submitted. Then extract the form details to a spreadsheet. So a Gmail that sends a mail when a form is filled or submitted, then extract the form details to a spreadsheet. That's what we want. So you can see it's already showing me some stuff. So you just go here, this arrow, send it, and allow AI doing stuff for you. So it's working. It's trying to generate something for me. So create a form. Oh God. So let's go again. Sorry about that. Okay, it's still working. I want to use Google Form. Okay, let's go back. Give me a minute. So let's go again. Sorry. Gmail, a recipient when a Google form is filled out or submitted. So you see why I said your prompting must be clear. You submitted and extract the details to a Google Sheet. So now it's working on the background for me. So you see what is showing me now. So let's continue. After it is done with everything here, what you do, you continue with Zap Editor. So now we want to edit each of the apps. We want to edit each of the apps here. It's still working on the background. Let us give it time. Okay, now I need to change this Google Sheet to Google Form. That's what I need, not a Google Sheet, a Google. So yeah, now this is what we have. The Google Form is our trigger. The Google Form is our trigger. So what do we do? Now you are seeing this modal here. This is where you configure everything. So now it's showing us here from this Google Form. It sends this Google Form. This is the trigger. This is the process. It sends this Google Form to this place, which is powers the Gmail to analyze and send a message, send a mail to the recipients, to the clients who have filled this form. Then from this Gmail, it extracts the information down to this Google Sheets. So now you are seeing things like this because we need to choose what's going to happen here now. So you are seeing by this place, we are seeing Google Form, the app is Google Form. We have 1,001 apps. We are seeing 7,000 plus app tools here. We are seeing Google Calendar, Google Docs. We are seeing Google Drive, Gmail, even Telegram, Slack, excuse me, Facebook leads. Everything is just here. Everything you can connect, anything you want to connect from Zapier. So let's go back here. So what is the trigger event? The trigger event, we click on this place. What we want is new form response. It triggers when a form response is received. So once someone submits his form, that's what they're telling this guy. The trigger they're telling him, is once someone fills up the form, it triggers this agent. So we choose new form response. Then here you choose your account. You know, this is Google Form. You have to choose an account. So here I go to sign in. And of course, I have to sign in the Google account that is hosting the Google Form. So that's what the account should be. The Google account hosting the Google Form. That's what you need to sign in. So I'm waiting for network. Are we all following? Yes, you can create different forms using Zapier. You can create anything you want to create. So let me see if this guy is done with. So yeah, yes, continue to Google Form. So it already recognized my account already being hosted on this Google. So I just go to yes, continue Google Form. So I'm trying to synchronize my account. Yeah, this is the email account hosting my Google Form. So I choose it, continue. So now I have signed in my email. So you can see it until your email address is appearing here. You have not signed in. Until it is appearing here, it have not signed in. So from here, what I do, we go to this is you want to add a lead, right? This is another thing. If you have staff working under you and other stuff, agents, sales agent working under you, who you want to allocate leads to, you can go through this route. But yeah, we go on continue. Then you now want to configure the form. So choose value. So here we are choosing the form. Okay, now I can't remember the form we use. I'm seeing two blah 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 blah. I think is this one. So here is asking you the form. Here you are seeing because I have multiple forms on my email on my Google account. So this is the latest one we created. So I will choose this form. AI Creator Lab Practical. You go to continue. So now, unless you want to test run what you want to do, but at times I just skip the testing part. We are going to test it ourselves. But in case you want to test it, you can just test trigger. So it have tested it and everything is fine. So let's continue with selected record. So now we are going to configure the Gmail. So this is the place where you have to focus very well. You have to pay very good attention because one thing you miss here, you have missed a lot. Tech can be, or yeah, this doesn't require coding, but you need to pay attention. Any smallest thing you miss here, you've missed it. So now we have our app, which is Gmail. I don't want to change it. I want to use Gmail. So what is the action event? It's already here. Send email. That's what we want the Gmail to do. We want the agent, we want Zapier to send email for us. But you can still change it, which is you click on this place. Excuse me. You can add label to an email. You can create draft reply. You can see find email, send email, reply to email. There are so many things you want him to do. Everything a human being can do, this agent can do it. You can delete email, you can remove label from conversation, anything. So what we want this guy to do here is just please send me an email to my respondents. That's what I want you to do. So that's why you are seeing send email here. So the same thing, we are going to sign into our email account. So let me sign in. Yes, continue, please. I'm not sure time permit us to do the WhatsApp autoresponder, but let's see how far we go. Continue. Please do everything for me. Continue. So I've connected my account. You can see my name, chibuihani@gmail.com, connected here. So next thing I do is continue. Now, please pay attention to this place. It can be confusing, but please pay attention. Pay attention. So here it's asking you to who? To who? To who? That's the question here. Now we go click on this plus icon here. You go and click on it. So it's now you are seeing everything here. So remember what I told us, that every question is important. Every question is important. So the form is showing us here is the form we chose when we were choosing that form, which is the form the AI creator lab, or the form I've created, or the form you've created for the event. Do you understand? So now the question is to who? We are looking at to who. We are going to choose to this email, to the emails. So what we are choosing here means that we want the message to be sent to every email, to every email, every email, every. So that is why you must create a question to extract, to collect the email, the emails. So I've chosen this email. Now, sorry, let me remove one. Just want one. Yeah. So just to the email. So if you want to copy anyone, you know what CC means, what BCC means. If you want to do those ones, no problem, you can do it, but we don't need that now. So the question is from who? Of course, it's from my email. So I will choose my email here. So remember, to who is to the emails collected. From who is from the sender, which is my email, already signed in. So now I want to put my name from, which is the name. It can be Ihan Ichiku, which is my name. If you want, if you have an admin, fine, it can be the admin. Whoever person's name you want to appear as the sender. So I'll just choose Ihan Ichiku as the name I want to appear on the sender. So this guy here is not important, so leave it. So now, subject of the email. What should we use as subject for the email? Let's just say welcome. After once they welcome to Techolis, let me use my company name. Or let me use welcome to AI Creator Lab. So now something here, if I want it to be very, 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 very unique, I want the person's name to be on the subject, email subject. So see what I'm gonna do. I'm going to do, make sure you give a space. Then when there's this space here, make sure your cursor is where it is. You go to this plus icon. Remember, I want the person's name to appear. That was why, you remember I said when you are creating your form, you must have already envisioned what you want to use that form to do before you create your form. So now, while creating my form, if you notice, I added first name and last name. It was for a purpose. I don't want their full name to be clustered. But even if their full name is clustered, there's also an app on this Zapier that will help you separate the first name and second name when you are sending an email. So for now, I'll click on this icon. Now I'll go and choose first name. I will choose first name. So if I'm the one filling the form, maybe I filled in my first name as Ihan Ichuku, last name Chigbu. So now what I'm telling this guy is, once you send this subject, I want this subject to appear as welcome to AI Creator Lab, space, the first name on that form. So I click on it, first name. So here is very dicey also, the body type, the body of your email. What do you want the body type to be? Of course, it should be a plain word, not HTML. We don't want HTML code, whatever. We want a plain text that someone can read. So now this is the body of your email. So focus here. Let's say hello, another space. Now I want it to be hello, first name again. I want to personalize my email. I want to connect with my clients. I want to connect with my customers. I want to connect with my people. You know, when you make email people with their first name, when you see an email carrying your first name, there is this joy, there's this emotional connection you feel. Right? Let me just see what's happening on the comment section. So yeah, let's go back to WhatsApp. So I'm saying hello. Make sure there's a space after your hello. Just envision that there's the next word coming after your hello. So create a space for it. So you create a space and go back to this plus icon. Click on it and choose first name, just as we did in the previous one. Choose first name. If say you want make the person make the person last name show, no worry, you choose last name. But in this place, it's a courtesy that the first name comes. So I choose the person's first name. That what I'm telling this guy, I'm telling my AI, bro, I want you to send a hello with all the recipient's first name. That's what this guy is. That's what I'm telling him. Hello, Ihan Chuku. Hello, Festus. Hello, Promise. That's what I want it to be like. So now I'll not click on comma because what is here is the first name. I'll click on comma and a space. Thank you for registering for the class, blah blah blah. I won't put much here. If there is any information you want them to do, what you want them to know, everything, you just type it here. We are not going to do all those things here tonight. So thank you for registering for the class, blah 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 blah. If you want to attach whatever, if you want to attach whatever you want to attach, you can see find attach to this mail your course curriculum. I will show you how to attach the file you want to attach it. So I will now say thank you, comma, best regards, sorry, this should be full stops, best regards. I will put my name, Ihan Chuku, or you choose the name you added on that sender's name. Remember the name you added, that's the name that will be here. Ihan Chuku, or sorry, we can say AI Creator Lab team. Just leave it like this. And that's it. So if your email has a signature already on it, you can add the signature. But if there's no signature on it, leave it. I don't have a signature here, so I just leave it blank. So let's move forward. Let's put false here because there's no signature. Let's leave this one. So if you want to attach a PDF to it, this is where you can attach a PDF. Any attachment, picture, whatever have you want to attach to it, this is where you do it here. You see, you can now choose whatever thing you want to attach. In this case, there's nothing to attach here, so we leave it blank. Leave this one also false, so we go to continue. Are we following? I want to see. So yeah, click on continue. We are done with setting up this guy. Let's allow it to load. So let's just skip this test and move on. So down to this one, down to the Google Sheet now. Pay attention to this place. So at this point, we want, what is the event here? What is the action? Action is the asking you, what do you want? What do you want here? What do you want this guy to do? So what we want here is to create a spreadsheet row. or let's say create a worksheet. So we also need to sign in the Google account here. Continue, continue. So the Google account you are signing in must be the Google account hosting your Google Sheets. If not, there'll be serious problem. Excuse me. So let's move down to configuration. Sorry, let's go back to this. Let me see what's happening here. These are just, excuse me, if you want to test what you've done, but normally I just skip the test. I don't, so you just need to skip it. So why this is working on the background, let's go to the Google Sheet. So here now we want to configure the Google Sheet here. So what do? We choose the drive. We choose the drive. So it should be my Google Drive where the account is hosted. Choose your value. So this is the form we created, right? AI particle. So you choose this one. What should be the title? So let's just use our form. Let's look for a title here. Let's for a title. Um, let's say AI clients. AI clients. So if there is any existing worksheet with the same title, we just override it. If you don't want to override it, you can just say false. So I'm trying to add all those headers we have. We have first name, we have the last name. Or let us leave it for now and click on continue. Let me know what's wrong with this guy. Sorry. Let's see what I'm. Just give me a minute. Let me. don't know why I can't see what is here. Okay, okay, okay. So our
Okay, hello, Ian.
yes, sir.
Let me not lie. I think I'm not the only one. I was reading some of the comments, and I was seeing something I can relate to. So let me read some of the comments. Someone said, "What time are we closing?" Okay, that's the first one. Um,
Yeah.
Someone said, "Omo, this is a whole lot to digest. It's really a whole lot to digest. Just hope we can get access to the recorded class." CJ announced yesterday in WhatsApp group that there will be no replay of the live session, but I don't know if he will have a change of mind today. He needs to reconsider. I no go lie. I no go lie. Sorry guys for the interjection, but like I feel like this is a lot. This is a lot, and of course, everyone here, you need time. You need time to digest it. I didn't know. Honestly, I thought the whole automation thing is just from here to here. You do this and that, and then boom, everything is done. Phew. Okay. Okay. So how long? How long more do we have? Because the next speaker was meant to come in by 9. Faith, if you're here, please confirm. If you're here, kindly confirm. Whether it's 9 or 9:30. So yeah, let's know if we'll have a part 2. Yeah. So Faith, over to you.
All right, she's on standby.
Okay. Okay.
I'm coming. I'll be
Okay. So just finalize with her, and then
It's finalized. Okay.
so that we
So we are okay.
sorry. Yes, the replay. I'll make the replay available. The replay will be available. Don't worry. Those who are asking, don't worry. Me, for this particular one, I understand. The replay will be available. Let's continue.
Okay. So we are basically done with. So it's just for us to go further and test. We won't do the testing for now. But this is what it is to this class, to AI automation. There is more to it. There's more to it. There's more to it. There's the chatbot, there's the customer support one and everything. But this is just a basic. This is just a basic. So if there'll be a class this time, we'll go to WhatsApp autoresponder. I think that one is not a bit complex like this. That one is not like this. But on that autoresponder, what happens here?
What happens here? I said, I'll hold your leg on that one. We'll have to bring you back. Particularly that WhatsApp, because I told some people that we'll be learning how to automate WhatsApp. Yeah, I had told some people, so I will hold your leg on that one, please, sir. I don't know how we'll do it, but then we'll have to find an extra day, yes, if you don't mind.
No problem, sir. No problem, sir. Mm-hmm. So I'll advise you all just go on YouTube. Research Zapier, how to use Zapier and the other automation that is out there. And once you do this, you eliminate stress. And for those of us that want to pursue a career, it is also advisable you do that. Companies can call you to help them automate you build them with. So on this note, Thank you so much,
Thank you
everyone,
so
for
much,
giving me your
everyone.
audience.
Your audience.
And also thank you, Dr.
Also,
TJOK, for
thank
this
you, Dr.
opportunity.
Joke, for
Thank
this
you.
opportunity.
And
Thank
thank you
you.
for
Thank you. Thank you for
everything you are doing.
everything
Anytime
you
you
are
need
doing.
me,
Anytime you need
just
me,
give me
just
a call, give me
give
a
me a
test.
call,
I'll
give
see.
me a test. I'll see.
As long as it's to impact
As long
life,
as it's to impact life.
I'm there.
Yeah,
Thank you
yeah.
so
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you, guys. We need to appreciate him. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. This thing, bah. Me, I'm in that arena. I am in the corners of the corridors of knowledge, so I can tell you the value of knowledge. If you don't understand what is going on right now, don't feel bad. Don't feel bad with about the whole thing. You have the replay. You can go over it. You can try it. You can experiment. And like he said, it's going to come back again. Let's do more once you find easier. Okay. If you are looking for something to take up as a career and monetize, this can be a good place to start, right? But don't overwhelm yourself. Don't worry. Don't worry. Our next speaker will soon be here. But like I was saying, I'm in the corridors of knowledge. I know what some of these things cost if you were to go and learn. If you go to YouTube, the information is just scattered. You just see so many different things. It will take structured guidance for somebody to tell you, okay, see this particular one, or yeah, watch this one, or yeah, take this one, or yeah, learn it this way. And that's part of what we're doing here tonight. Okay. I was sharing in the WhatsApp call I had earlier today that one of the courses I did on advanced artificial intelligence, advanced, what is it called again? Is it advanced AI? Something, yeah, advanced AI mastery program. I took that training, but then actually the person who paid for the course is my brother, my elder brother. And I can tell you he paid a lot. I mean, that course was approaching $1,000. That was the price. It was like an extended boot camp, you know. But I got access to it and I was able to learn a couple things. I was able to learn about basics of prompt engineering, um, what is it called? Personalization for different AI tools, project personalization, uh, designing with AI, some of those basic things. I won't say they are basic. It's not basic. They are not basic, but then everything I learn, I try to break it down and break it down and make it easy for anybody to understand, so I can transmit it to other people. You will not know that I paid, or that, even if it's not me that paid the money, sha, but payment happened. Okay, so Faith, are you here? Kindly introduce our next speaker. I'll hand over to you. Guys, this is another time to invite your family members, invite your husband to be, invite your auntie, uncle, friend, everybody, church members, go and invite them. Fire is about to rain again. Another bowl of fire is about to rain so that we can consume. These people that are coming up on this stage, they are mighty people. You should go and follow them. So Ihan will come back, and me, I can assure us he will come back again. Okay, so if we have to extend this training by one day, fine, we will. We'll have that. So these are very, very amazing people. Very amazing people. Okay, I'll share his details on WhatsApp so that you can go and check him out. Follow him on Facebook, learn more from what he's doing, get his contacts, reach out to him. If he's offering a paid program, pay for it, learn more. Yeah, so that's what I would say for now. So yeah, Faith, over to you. Thank you very much, Saihai. Okay, I can hear you now. You joined with two of your devices, right?
No, just
No,
one.
no, no, just one. Okay. Because I added one before. So go ahead.
Okay.
Okay.
I was
I'm
joining us
joining.
tonight.
What did you say?
Can you hear me?
What did you say? Hear me? Yes, I can hear you, Faith. Hello, Faith.
Can you hear me?
Can you hear me?
I can hear you. I can hear you.
Okay, I thought
Okay,
Miss
I thought
Aruna
I want
That she said
us
what?
to
us to
um the session for
the
tonight
session
is
for
just
tomorrow
a
is
block.
just a block.
Want to be able to
To be able to
talk about this
Uh,
night.
this night.
I didn't know. Honestly, I can't hear what you're saying. I don't know. It's sounding as if your phone is inside water. The voice is not steady.
I sent you a
I
text,
sent
please
a
check.
text, please check.
Huh?
I sent you a text on
I sent you a
WhatsApp,
text
please.
on WhatsApp.
Okay. Let me go and check it out. Let me check it out. So, yeah. Okay. No problems. No problems. Okay. That's fine. That's fine. So, um, I think what we're going to have to do is, I think we can pause here. Okay, we can pause here. We can pause here. Okay. Um, as much as we want to follow the order for the training and all of that, it's also good that we understand that the whole thing can be overloading. Even me, to be very frank, to be honest, I did not know that this automation thing, I did not know it would be big like this, right? So, um, we are considering, okay, we are considering to, um, you know, suspend tonight's training. Let's digest what we have learned here. Thanks to Harira, she was one who suggested that this is a lot. It will be a lot to digest, and it will be very difficult. It will be hard for people to stay through and still get you know the best from the session. So we are going to come up with another day. Okay. I think the next session that will be tomorrow. Okay. So I think she would start. If that works, we'll discuss with her. Okay. So we won't be having the next speaker again today, but let's see the next session I'll be having. Definitely tomorrow is another day. Don't get discouraged. Don't get to D2 and give up. We'll keep having more and more amazing sessions, and let me surprise us. I don't know if you want it. I don't know if you want it. I don't know if you want it, but we'll be having some surprise guests in our midst. We'll be having some surprise guests in our midst. I'm going to share some things for us, right? I'm going to share some things. This night, I'll share some things. I'll do a tutorial. I'll try and do something quickly and share so that we can try our hands on that. Okay. Do have an amazing night rest. I hope you enjoyed tonight's session. Please do well to drop your feedback. Go through the recording. It's the same link that you used to join. That's what you used to record. Sir Ihai, you are still here, right? So I want you to please, I have a question. Are you here?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, thank you very much. I have a question. So after this whole automation, after setting it up the way you've done, because me, I'll go back and watch the whole thing. What next? Like, what next? So you set it up, then what are you going to send? I mean, what next from there?
There are two ways. What next from there is once you're done setting up everything, there's a place where you see publish. So you hit on publish. Once you hit on publish, it has gone live. That's when you
That's
can
when
now
you can
send
now
out your
send out
the form link.
the form link.
If we
If
got
we
to that point,
got to
I
that
would have
point,
just sent
I would
out
have just sent out
the form link to the
form link
WhatsApp group and
to
they
the
go and
WhatsApp
fill up.
group.
So once they fill up, they'll
Okay,
start
okay.
getting feedback.
You start getting feedback. Do you mind doing that? Do you mind doing that so that we'll now use it to wrap up?
Okay.
Okay. Please. So that those who are now watching as a replay will have a follow through, like follow up. The length of the program, the length of the video would guide them adequately.
Okay.
Okay.
Let me set up.
Yeah. He's not yet talking. He's not
Yeah.
talking. Don't worry. He's pulling up something. Don't worry. It's not network.
Think.
Have you found it, sir?
Not yet.
Not yet. Okay.
Because I have to disengage it.
While he's searching and while he's trying to pull that up, I'd like to make an announcement. Something just came to my head. I want to do. There's something I don't know, but I would share it. I think there's something I want to teach. I wanted to teach. Um, in my head, I was like, I'll reserve it for a paid session, but I just want to. I want to do that for those of you who have been following this training religiously. You know, I don't know how I'll do that. I don't know how I'll be able to select only those who have been attending and have that session with them. But yeah, I think I'll do that. I'll do that. If you want it to, we'll do a build along session. Okay. Um we'll do a build along session. Everyone would be building alongside. You have your is well, it's not going to be difficult. It's not going to be difficult. So you have whatever you want to do, and we'll be creating it live. And once you are done creating it, you will share it on the group. Okay, you share what you have created on the group. Um, I think that's what we're going to do. That's what I want to do. I'm thinking about it. I just may do it. If you want it, I'll do it. So learn how to create ebooks, create slides, do some of those things. We'll do it live. So yeah, that's what came to my head right now. I think it was something I wanted to do at a cost, but I'm thinking maybe I'll do a version of it. I'll just do a build along, because I want us to get something. Okay, we want. Okay. Jane Frances. Jane Frances. Who else won? Is it only Jane Frances? It is only Jane Frances. I'll do it for her. I'll do it only for Jane Frances. Do it for her. Okay, so yeah.
Okay,
Let's
let me share my screen.
Okay.
These things, once you miss one line, you have to trail it back. Okay, at this point now, we are done with everything. You are seeing here is sticking good. Everything good. Means that everything is okay. So at this place, you are seeing publish. You are seeing publish here. So we want to click on this publish. So
Hold on.
you are seeing.
I've not pulled it up to stage.
Oh. Okay.
Yes, it's on now. It's showing now.
Okay. So when we are done with everything, I think there's an issue with this setup of worksheets. Let me see if I connected it very well. Okay. I'm trying to set up my worksheet very well. It's saying an error. Let's see where the error is coming from. Okay, let's go back here. So yeah, when we are done here, I'm not too confident on this worksheet I created, but let's see what the output will be like. But the main thing you're looking at is this response here, the email, what the client will see. That is our core focus. Can you all hear me? What the client will see is our focus here. So, excuse me. So the main thing is what this guy will see, the email that is sending back, which we are seeing yet is also already good. So this worksheet, if it's not working, we can come back, or you can come back, like when you're the one doing it, and the Google Sheet is not working properly for you. You can still come back and fix it. So let's, because of time, let's hit on this publish. Okay, I've already published it before I came on stage. So now it's asking me for a newer model. Let's just say new model, and we click on publish. So now, yeah, I want to send the link to the group chat so you can go and fill it up. Let's see what happens. Okay. Okay. So I'm sending you the link. Shit. Hold on a bit. Sorry, this laptop is not my major work laptop. That's why it seems everything has not been set up. So, okay, I want to send you the link, Dr. Chijoke, so you can push it to the group chat. So, sir, check your DM. Macy, if you're here, check your DM. I sent you the link on the DM. You can forward it to the group chat. So let's test what we've done here.
Sahi, hi, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, you sent it to Coach CJ.
Yeah, but I just sent it to you also.
Okay, I'm not Mercy, I'm Faith, but let me see. Let me check it out.
Okay. So I just checked it from my own end, and it worked. So let's the one share. Let me share my email so you can see it. So if you can see my email, this is I just filled up the form, and this is it. So it's showing me here instead of behind Chiku because the sender is just like I'm sending a mail to myself. Faith, if you have my number, you can just say hi. Let me send the link. You can just send me a hi, so I can just forward you the link. So now, okay, now you are seeing my name is showing here in Chiku as the person who sent the name, as the sender of the email. So let's open the mail. So you can see, you see why I was emphasizing on leaving a space here, leaving a space here. So if this space wasn't created, it could have been jam packed. There wouldn't be any space around here for this guy. So you see, the first name I entered was Ihan Ichuku. That's why he's showing "Welcome to AI Creator Lab." Ihan Ichuku. He's calling my name, but you can freestyle your own as "Hey Ihan Ichuku" or "Welcome Ihan Ichuku." So down here you can see again, "Hello," space here, then your first name, then your first name. So this is what not autoresponder now, what autoresponder from Zapier looks like when you have configured it very well. So let's see also if it is capturing these things down to my drive. Let's see if that's working. Have the link been sent to the group chat so they can fill it up? Oh no. Okay, I'm not seeing it here. Still coming up. I'm waiting for the link to be sent to them if it's possible.
Coach CJ, can you hear me?
Faith, are you multi-talented celebrity on WhatsApp?
Yes, I am.
Okay, I just sent you the link.
All right, I'll check.
I can hear you, Faith.
Okay. 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 For some reasons, this guy didn't work. The spreadsheet didn't capture it. Go back to tweak it. So let's click on the link. Let's fill the form. You just wait for 5 seconds, 10 seconds. You will receive the autoresponder email. While I see how to fix this guy. So are we filling the form? Let's do it quick. So also from this Google form, you can collect your spreadsheet from this Google form. It's possible. But in the absence of this Google form, remember that Zapier has all the apps you are looking for. You can create your form without Google form using Zapier form. So what I want us to do, just go and play around with it. Play around with Zapier, check out the apps. Um, we have WhatsApp Premium also, but WhatsApp on Zapier works on just premium subscription. But when next I come in, I will teach us how to use WhatsApp autoresponder app on our phones. That will help us so very much. Although that one also has its own subscription packages, but it also has a free package, and each subscription package is quite low. Yeah, it's doable. So that will be next time. I'll teach us how to set up autoresponder to each to trigger each response you need. So I'm waiting for response. Okay, we have two response. We have Julius. Okay, we have Julius. Let's just go. Let's be filling the form. We have just two persons filling the form. Julius, if you have gotten the feedback confirmation mail or feedback mail, just indicate on your comment section if you have gotten the feedback. When you get your feedback mail, indicate on the comment section. I'm not seeing your responses. You just have, okay, 7. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. If you get your feedback, let me know. Once you get your feedback, okay, Jacinta, done. So this is basically what it is. This is basically what it is. This is just the basic. There are also more and more and more. You can use Zapier to personalize, to arrange your personal email. If you want to arrange your email, create a to-do list from everything, you can use Zapier to do it. You can use Zapier to Adibinwi for any new action you want to do. Remember, you used AI for this. So for any new action you want to do, you just click on this plus icon here. Maybe when we come back next time, I will sort out the spreadsheet issue. We will go deeper. So for any new thing you want to add, you come to this icon, add step. So you see everything here. I've not tried Telegram. We can also try Telegram. If you run a team on Slack, you can click on Slack to message. You want Zapier to message a team member on Slack once someone registers on that form. You can do it here. You can do it here. Everything is doable here. So remember when I made a mention of using first name and last name, and I said that even when you use a full name on your form, you can also separate it. It's very easy. So how do we do it? You see these building tools here. So you can go to this formatter. If I'm correct, yeah. Formatter. Then webhooks, if you use website to collect your information, you can use for a webhook, but it's on premium package. Sorry, I didn't mean that. So you see here Zapier chatbot. So this guy responds to chat on your behalf once you have queued in things you want it to do for you. It responds to chat. But I want to use that separate. I want to show you something. Just one more thing, maybe we are done. Let me remove this guy, delete it. So we go back to this icon. We choose formatter. Now we want to format our text. In situations whereby you used just one question, full name, and the person entered both first name and second name in one line, on one line. So what you need to do is introduce this guy, formatter. Choose event. What do you want formatter to do for you? You come here, choose event. You can see everything, date, time, numbers, text, whatever. We want it to format text for us. So we go on text. Continue. It's now time to configure this guy. So what do you want to transform? You choose the value. You have capitalize. You want it to capitalize a particular name. Maybe that first name. You want that first name to be all capital letters. You choose capitalize. But here you are looking for something else. You are looking for something else. You can see lowercase, pluralize, and everything. Now, this is what you're looking for, split text. We want Zapier, we want formatter. Please, I don't want it to be Ihani Chukwuchibu. I want to split the first name from the second name, from the last name. So please split my text. So it comes there for us to enter the text. We go to this place, click on this icon, this plus icon. Then you go to your form. So now I don't have full name. You get? I don't have full name. I only have first and last name. But in situations where you entered full name, the person wrote Peter Obi. You want it to separate Peter from Obi. Just want to use Peter. So you just click on that. I can't click on anything here. Just last name here is just one name. But if this last name was full name and you speak to B, I'll just click on last name. So already it knows what it want to do. That is the separator. Don't add anything here. Separator means that it knows what it wants to do. It knows that you want it to separate the first name and the whatever. So you just leave all these ones blank. And when you're done, you click on continue and everything goes through. You can test run. So maybe next time we will test this one when we use a full name syntax. But for now, I think this is all to it. This is basically what AI automation is all about. Get AI to do the work for you and you go and pursue your money. I want to just add something here. I believe we serve God. All of us have a God we are serving. I'm not sure there's an atheist. I'm not sure there's an atheist in this place. Now, I want to paint a scenario. We are done with the automation stuff. I want to paint a scenario. I want to show you why you need these tools to work for you. Last 2 weeks, I was invited to speak somewhere. Okay, let me use an example. I am Miss Jane. Speak somewhere, and Miss Jane does the same thing I do. We are all web developers. And we are called to minister somewhere to speak on the stage at the same time. So that means I am Jane. We were on stage as a panelist at the same time. We didn't have access to our phone to respond to clients. But now Jane has all her system, her workflow automated. Once a client inquires of her business or her service, which is web design, maybe let's say she used AI autoresponder, and maybe the ad she's running an ad. I'm also running a Facebook ad. She's also running a Facebook ad, and let's say we are going to the same church, And that Sunday, pastor prayed and said that God will bless us with millions this week, and we all shouted amen. And on Monday, two of us we went for this speaking engagement as a panelist. We were on the stage. We couldn't access our phone. But Jane has her system automated down to once a client clicks on her ad, it takes the client down to her WhatsApp, okay, from email down to WhatsApp, and the the AI is chatting with the client, just as though now this AI can be trained to talk like you. Yeah. So now on her own end, the AI is chatting with the client. Why me? I'm also running the same ad. Do you understand? And the client has clicked on my ad, and now the client have landed on my DM, WhatsApp DM, and he has sent me, "Hi, I am interested in your services," but there's no response. But AI is responding for Jane on Jane's behalf. Now it is the same client that clicked on Jane's ad was the same client, or is the same client that clicked on my own ad. Remember, Pastor blessed us that we are going to get a massive client, $1 million client, and we are outside. But the AI is helping Jane, chatting with the client, sent her, oh, sorry, Elisha, sorry, Aisha, sorry. So now, the AI, she have automated everything now. The AI is showing this client her services, her payment structure, everything she has to do. The AI is doing for her while she's on stage with me, while I have no AI working for me. The client is waiting for my response, but there's no response because I can't access my phone. At the end of the day, who do you think will close that client faster? Maybe let's say I spent the whole day, and it was in the morning that this client reached out to us, and I came back by 4 p.m. The same time Jane came back from the event. The form should be opening. People are already responding. Maybe it's your network or something else. So when we get back, Jane will close the client if her prices matches the budget of that client. Because now the AI has chatted with the client, has done clarity session, has done everything to know what the client wants, and have sent in the client's Jane's price lists. And maybe the client chooses one price list, and the AI now creates a proposal carrying Jane's account details. At the end of the day, the client will end up paying Jane for the work. And by the time I come back to my house to see his message and now respond to him and say, sir, so by the time I'm doing that, I've lost the client. So now, will I be blaming God for my predicament? No. I can't blame God. Rather, I will blame myself. I didn't set up the necessary tools that is needed. So please, most of our misfortune is not meant to be. It's not village people that is doing us. It's just that we are not leveraging the tools we have. We are not leveraging the AI tools. We're not leveraging the digital tools we have. If you can integrate these tools into your business, believe you me, you will see increase in result and you will see increase in productivity. And please, if you want to use these AI tools, don't just subscribe for free package. Pay for productivity tools. Subscribe for a package that can give you what you want. Currently, we can do little with this Zapier because it's a free plan. And me, I don't always subscribe it because of what I do, I don't run ads often. So I use other tools. It's only when I want to run ads that I say, okay, for this 1 month, I want to pay for this software, for this tool to help me collate and automate my processes. So pay for what will ease you stress and pay for what will make you more money. Time saved is more money earned. Thank you, and thank you so much. Thank you, Uncle CJ. So I hope the form worked out for everybody. Everybody that's filled up the form got responses. I'm seeing 8 responses. 8 people filled the form, and I believe 8 of you got your response, the email, right? If you got the email, let me see, indicate on the comment section as I bow out. As I take my bow, let Uncle CJ come and take over. Shami, I never chopped this night. Man, go find food before. Uncle CJ, are you here? Faith, are you here? Is available? So next time when I show up, I think I'll be showing up with more tools for AI automation. The autoresponder for the WhatsApp, I think is most needed. Is very, 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 very needed because we use WhatsApp for our day-to-day activities. So I'll just jump right straight into it and then summarize. So who's available to take over? Uncle CJ? Yeah, thank you, Aisha. Thank you, Aisha. Thank you to Aisha. It's an honor to speak to you guys. Uncle CJ, Auntie Faith, who's available? I think Uncle CJ is having network issue. If you have questions to ask on the comment section, just throw in your questions. I can take them. If you have questions to ask, okay, Jacinta, you got it. Thank you, Gonna Moses. Throw your question as we wait for the moderator, the moderator to join. Lento, where do we forward our questions? Just drop it, I think. Drop it here. Let me see the ones I can answer while we wait for any of the moderators to take over.
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay,
I'm here. I was having trouble clicking my unmute button.
Okay,
even tapping on Faith. Yes, to add her to stage.
Thank you so much.
Yes.
Take a bow.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Ihan. Thank you so much. Thank you so very much. So for those who are here, yeah, you would open the group. The last time we opened the group, one flying object entered inside. I started posting nonsense, posting all these their scam something, and that's why I'm weary. I'm scared of creating WhatsApp groups and leaving them open. People can do all sorts of crazy things. There are a lot of scammers around. So maybe Faith can open it for maybe 10 minutes or 5 minutes or 3 minutes immediately after this session, so that you can drop any questions you would have, if there are, right? And then Sir Ihan, you will take it up from there. So I believe we will be able to try our hands on something. So yes, about what I said I would do, I have seen your feedback. I'll do it. I'll consider it. Okay. So if I don't do it, if I don't do the build along, please hold me accountable. Hold me accountable. Just remind me that I said I will do it. Okay. So yes, thank you all very much. Thank you all very much. I know this may look difficult, and it's because it's the first time. It's the first time that you're coming across AI email automation. Believe me, the next ones will be easier. When we start talking about WhatsApp automation, I believe that one will be easier. It's something that you can easily try your hands on. So yes, thank you for joining in. Thank you for joining in. Wow. It's been a long day. It's been a long day and a heavy one. Thank you. Well done. Please, let's show gratitude. Okay. Check the facilitator out. Follow him on Facebook. I'll still post that. Sir, please send me your links, any link that you want them to connect on my DM. I'll share it on the WhatsApp group so that they can connect with you. If you don't mind, I usually, you people should not go and start sending too many questions. Oh, I beg you, I did not pay the facilitator. So please don't go and be bombarding him with questions. What you should be asking is, oh, what course do you have that I can buy? What book do you have that I can pay for? Do you run a mentoring program? Do you run, what can I pay for? Right? So I believe that's usually the best way to get, the best out of any relationship like this one. So yes, who is this person? Who is this person? I'm closed for today. We continue tomorrow. You are not the person that will tell us when to close. but but I acknowledge you, I understand you. Even me, it's not easy. So I've seen this comments almost 3 times, and that's why I responded. Yeah. When you are in a session like this, I'd like to point this out. When you're in a session like this, you have to consider others, not just you, right? Consider the speakers who are bringing out their time to do something like this. Consider the hosts, the facilitators, the entire team. So for us to be here till this time, it's not because we just want to waste time or we just have nothing else to do, right? Consider me. I have a lot to do, a whole lot. My voice is already breaking. Tomorrow again, early morning, I'm heading out. So we're not intentionally just doing this, and we're not enjoying it per se. We're doing it because you heard him say impact. As long as it's going to impact people, some people are going to learn something from here, and they end up monetizing it. They end up turning it into a career. I'm telling you, I have one of my mentees who currently works with a leading cryptocurrency company, global cryptocurrency company, right? By the time we met, it wasn't. I mean, it wasn't like that. It wasn't anywhere near that, right? So somebody may pick a little thing and apply it, and even get better. Some of you would end up becoming better at this whole AI thing than a lot of us, and that's the goal. That's actually the goal. So please encourage us. It's not easy. I know, yes, you feel like some of you may feel like we're wasting your time, but just understand it. I mean, just understand, encourage us. We understand you too, but encourage us. It's not easy. Okay. So if you want to raise concern about time, do it more intelligently. So yes, let's call it a night. Okay. Good night, everybody. Good night, precious. I see you. Glory, Jacinth, Paul, those who I mentioned earlier, the first 5 people that joined, please send me a message. Let me know you're among the first 5 people I mentioned. Okay? So that I'll give you what belongs to you. All right. You all do have an amazing night rest. Anticipate tomorrow, 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 tomorrow. Tomorrow is meant to be like the grand finale. We're going to be doing vibe coding. We're going to be learning vibe coding, how to build applications and stuff with AI. And then hopefully we'll be bringing in Harira, the facilitator that was meant to take her session today. Hopefully we'll be bringing her in tomorrow as well. Oh God! So you can see how I'm yawning. It's not easy. Thank you all so much. Thank you so much. Good night. Bye.